Today we are looking at converting wages and salaries using set 1.3 from the textbook. A wage is an amount paid to an employee according to the money they make per hour or an hourly rate. And a salary is a fixed amount which is paid to an employee to do a job annually. Let's look at the worked examples below. Dimitri works as an accountant and receives an annual salary of $63,700. Calculate the pay that Dimitri is paid each fortnight. So Dimitri's fortnightly pay would be $63,700, which is his annual salary, and we would divide that by 26 because there are 26 fortnights in a year. That would give us an answer of 2,450. Grace is the solicitor who is paid $6,500 per month. Calculate Grace's annual salary. So the annual salary is she earns $6,500 per month. Now we know in a year she's going to make more than that. So we are going to multiply it by 12 because there's 12 months in a year. Annually, Grace earns $78,000. Charlotte works as a laboratory technician and is paid an annual salary of $41,560. If Charlotte works an average of 42 hours per week, calculate her hourly rate of pay. So to do this, we need to find Charlotte's weekly pay. Now she earns $41,560 annually. Now to find her weekly pay, we know it's going to be smaller, and there are 52 weeks in a year. So we divide by 52. Charlotte earns $799.23 a week, but we want to know how much she earns per hour, so we need to break that down further. To find her hourly rate, we are going to use her weekly wage. Now she works 42 hours a week, so to find her hourly rate, we're going to be dividing by 42 because she makes less in an hour, and the answer is going to be smaller. $799.23 divided by 42 gives Charlotte an hourly rate of $19.03. George received a weekly salary of $1,050 in 2017. The rate of inflation was 3.4% in 2018. Calculate his weekly salary at the end of 2018 if it increased with the CPI. Now CPI is Consumer Price Index, and in inflation means that it increased. So this question is very similar to the way we increase by a percentage. Now because we are increasing, we're adding that 3.4% on, which would give us 103.4%. We need to convert that to a decimal by dividing by 100. We get 1.034. Similar to before, we multiply that by the original amount. Now this answer should be larger because we are calculating an increase. So George earns $1,085.70 per week at the end of 2018 due to that 3.4% inflation. And that is how you convert from wages and salaries using pay and percentages.